Hi geckos, this is Miss Muselin, and we just finished reading a book about a form of energy called electricity. And in this book, we learned that all the objects around us are made up of matter, and that matter has individual atoms in it, and these atoms contain protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have that positive charge, neutrons have a neutral charge, and electrons have a negative charge. Now those electrons are able to jump from one atom to another atom, and when they make that jump, that's what causes electricity. So today we're going to do some activities that kind of show this, and more specifically show static electricity. So here we go. So for this you're going to need a balloon, some salt, there we go, and a little bit of pepper, and a metal spoon, and a slow stream of water. So what we want to do is we want to create an electric charge on this balloon, so we have to imbalance the atoms. So go ahead and take the balloon and you're going to rub it on your hair to create that electric charge. We're building up those electrons so that they can hop to another atom. When you feel like you have a good electric charge, go ahead and put it up to that stream of water. I'll make it a little thicker. Charge that balloon up. Put it up to the stream of water. And you may be noticing that that stream of water moves towards the balloon. So another way that we can take a look at static electricity, I'll move the camera back just a little bit, is to take a paper plate, and on that paper plate add some salt and some pepper. And then once again, we want to build up that static electricity. So go ahead, build those electrons up, give that balloon an electric charge. Now our balloon is going to have a negative charge. Our salt and pepper have more of a positive charge. They're opposites, so they attract. Put that balloon over the salt and pepper. Let me try a different. There we go. And then take a look at the balloon. So ladies and gentlemen, the negative and positives attracted, causing the salt and pepper to jump up on that balloon. But when we take a look at the balloon, we'll notice that there's more pepper on it than salt. Why do you think that more pepper may have gone onto the balloon rather than the salt? If you have an idea, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. So the last activity that I have for you today, I want you to go ahead and try it out on your own. I'll explain how to do it. Oh goodness. And then, oh my, I'll explain how to do it. And then feel free to let me know how it goes. So for this activity, we are going to simulate electricity or lightning. So we know that lightning occurs because of static electricity. So those ice chunks in the clouds are rubbing together and hitting each other and building up that electric charge. So what you need to do is you need to build up the electric charge on your balloon. Remember, you can do that by rubbing your hair, or you can rub a soft object. And then you're going to go into a completely dark room, maybe a closet, maybe your basement. Take your metal spoon, because metal is a great conductor of electricity. Once you have your balloon charged up, slowly put your metal spoon to the balloon and see what happens. Now this might take you several tries, gecko, but I want you to see if you can make something happen. Again, let me know what happens when you do that. And finally, I want to give a shout out to Faith Duncan. She emailed me about a cool science investigation she did at home. She took an egg, if you have extra, and soaked it in vinegar overnight. And then the next morning when she woke up, she took that egg out and some pretty cool things happened. So why don't you go ahead and give that a try at home, geckos too, and hopefully I'll see you soon with some more science and social studies investigations. Bye geckos, we miss ya.